Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you real quick about the last step you need to take in trimming your crepe myrtle, and that's trimming the canopy, the top of the tree. We've already talked in another video about what you need to do with the base of the tree, starting your way from the bottom and working your way up. When you get to the canopy, there's only two things you need to do. One is any branches that are small, or about the size of a pencil or smaller, the diameter of a pencil or smaller, you're going to remove those completely throughout the entire tree. That's what's going to take you the longest probably. And then when it actually comes to trimming the branches and limbs in the canopy, your goal is to have a canopy that the branches kind of go up and then they spread out in all different directions around the tree. And it needs to be somewhat symmetrical. That's what your goal is, what you want. And so any limbs that are kind of growing together in the same direction, you can thin those out. Any limbs that are kind of crisscrossing or rubbing against each other, you can thin those out. And what you should be left with is a nice open, thinner canopy that's going to be able to breathe a lot better, and that looks kind of somewhat symmetrical. So that's what you're after. That's your goal when you trim the canopies of your trees. The last thing I want to say is go ahead and do this. Don't be scared to do it. You're not going to make a fatal mistake in trimming your crepe myrtle and kill it by trimming the canopy. So go ahead and do it. If you don't like the way it looks, it will grow back. It'll grow back this year, and then you can reassess next year and do things a little bit differently. So go ahead and get that done. Now's the time to do it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask away. We're more than happy to help you out and answer any questions you might have. Thanks.